Drill bits come in a wide range of shapes and sizes, and are available in a variety of materials and coatings. High-speed steel is good for drilling into soft steels as well as wood and plastic. It is an economical solution for most maintenance drilling applications. Cobalt. It includes 5 to 8% cobalt blended into the base material. This is a great option for drilling into harder steel. Carbide is the hardest and most brittle of the drill bit materials. These drill bits are designed for the most demanding and hardest. Drill point angle 118 degrees standard found on most common drill types. Drill point angle 135 degrees self-centering. This type will be